Within IntelliJ, I want to close this, and under customer package, I would like to create a class is customer controller. Then the next thing I would like to do is move all of this and paste it into customer controller. And also we take rec controller in here and paste it in here. And one additional annotation I would like to add is request mapping in here. And I would like to have the path is API v1 customer. Okay, let's rerun again. In here, if I reload the page again, this should not work. And you can see the status is 404. And this is because in the customer controller, we add additional path of the request mapping is API v1 customers in here. Let's go back to browser and type API v1 the customers. Okay, now we successfully create the customer controller to receive the API request. Next, go back to the diagram. So now we have our controller layer responsible for our API request. And instead of we put all things within this layer, the controller should talk to the service layer to do its job is handle business logic. And if this layer require get or modify some data, then it should also talk to repository layer for data asset. And overall, the client send the request to our API, then it will go to the service repository, and then it will go to the database and return the result back to the client is. And you can see the client send the request to our application like a life cycle in here. Next, let's go ahead and create our service layer to handle business logic.